Hey guys, today we are going to be taking notes over horizontal and vertical lines. Hopefully what that means to you, and you should know that a horizontal line is a flat line going straight across from left to right, and a vertical line is going up and down. And your job today is to determine if that line is horizontal or vertical. And the first thing I want to do is show you ordered pairs. So this equation of this line, and we've done this one already before with our y equals mx plus b slope, where there's nothing in front of the m, therefore I have a zero slope. But I wanted to create a table of values to prove the point. So basically I picked any x values that I wanted. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, I went with a pattern. And no matter what x value I put in, my y value is -2. So I have 5 dots along the top, 5 points or ordered pairs that we will put on the graph. So the first one is -2, -2. So we're going to go back 2 and down 2, and we're going to put a dot there. The next one is back 1, down 2. Hopefully when you start watching this that you're going to start developing a pattern or notice the pattern. And these dots do not have to be like particular exactly on the dot just because it's not user friendly, especially with some of your guys' Chromebooks. Your mouse is not easily movable. 0, 2 means I'm going over 0 and down 2. And do you notice what's happening here as I keep plotting them? 1, -2, and then 2, -2. They create a straight line that is horizontal. Sorry, I cannot move this one. So I gave you 2 lines to choose from, vertical or horizontal. So I'm just going to take this line and put it across those dots. And I have a line going straight across at y equals -2. So it's going left to right, therefore it's a horizontal line. And I hope that you would have caught that because at the beginning, if I don't have an m or an x here, I have no number in front of the x, meaning 0, and a 0 slope looks like this, a flat line. So let's go to the second one. Hopefully you can make some predictions on what this one's going to be. This one is x equals 4. We have not done this yet. So what this means is my x value, no matter what, is 4, and I can have multiple different y values. I didn't go with the pattern this time. I just chose random numbers. So what I'll do is I'll plot the point 4, -3. So I'm going to go over 4 and down 3. Then I'm going to plot the point 4, -1. So I'm going to go over 4, down 1, 4, 0. So I'm going to go over 4, down 0, or up 0, either one. Over 4, up 2. And notice how this one is slightly different from our other slide. Our x values are not changing, therefore that creates a vertical line. So I have a vertical line. I'm going to go ahead and drag that over here so I notice that it's vertical, and it's at 4. So I'm going to take my blue line and I'm going to put it over x equals 4. There you go. So I did not put an assignment for today. I have a lot of you who need to play catch up on the assignments for this week, so that's kind of what I'm doing. So on this third slide, this is basically your assignment today, and I'm going to check in with you on Tuesday to make sure this was completed. I've got a y equals 3, an x equals -5, and a y equals 0. Using these 2 slides here, this should tell you what kind of line you'll have. Will it be horizontal or vertical? And then you can put your first dot at this number. So this one, will you put it on this, the y is 3, or the x is 3? You put the dot there, and then you determine if it's a vertical or horizontal line. If it is a vertical line, you do have to turn this line and make it vertical. Oops. So you can do that by clicking on it and dragging the line, making it a vertical line. Or some of my skilled students, you can easily go and copy and paste this one if you'd like. So please finish these. If you have questions, email me. I have several students who have not turned in work this week. So I'm contacting home, calling your parents and whatnot. So please check in, ask for help. That's what I'm here for.